work in progress, and we try to follow all such things in crypto, and I hope my colleagues in crypto votes for that. And I can only say that ultimately seeing is believing. We have a woman who is heading our HR department in head office, Puni Sharma, and I believe that when women are at work, they bring in a lot of human touch. I again wish everybody a very happy Women's Day. I wish that the focus on women remains throughout the year and not on a particular day only. All the best to all women, particularly.
Women in the world have done tremendously good, and in our country in India also they have been doing equally good as their men partners.
Celebrating International Women's Day reminds us that role of women in any family or development of the society or the world is equally important, if not more than men.
There is an old saying, यत्र नारीस्य पूजन्ते नमन्ते तत्र देवता. जहाँ नारियों की पूजा होती है वहाँ देवताओं का वास होता है. यत्रे तास्तु न पूजन्ते सर्वास्त्र फला क्रिया. और जहाँ स्त्रियों की पूजा नहीं होती, उनका सम्मान नहीं होता, वहाँ किए गए समस्त अच्छे कार्य निष्फल हो जाते हैं. ऐसा हमारा मानना है, ऐसी हमारी परंपराएं रही हैं. इस मौके पर पुनः मैं सभी महिलाओं को इस महिला दिवस पर अपनी हार्दिक बधाई देता हूँ. धन्यवाद.
They have proven to be successful leaders and have their presence felt in all the important forums in the world.
Equal in rights, status and opportunities.
Equal opportunities for all the men and women.
See, men and women have same standards. Only the standard of measurement is that they are all human beings.
It's a nature's rule, it must exist.
I choose to challenge the stereotypes that exist in our society.
Challenge myself this year that I continue with my exercise regime.
Challenge pandemic, power and hatred that is going all across the globe.
Abolishing the notion of log kya kahenge from my life.
And those who said tumse na ho payega. I intend to challenge my ability to stay focused and mindful in the present moment this year.
I wish to challenge the health issues that I am facing today and to make myself more fit.
I am proud that at Kripco I am treated equal, I am paid equal, and my suggestions and opinion matter. They are taken at par.
In Kripco, we felt that we have the same resources, same income, same expression, freedom to express our thoughts, training opportunities.
Women are playing a very important role in Kripco as well. There are a lot of very excellent and outstanding women employees in finance department, in HR department, and even in marketing as well as plant also. During 5 years we have recruited a large number of women employees.
In Kripco, women form a sizable part of the workforce. They are provided a safe and secure work environment. They are also treated equal in terms of remuneration, work opportunities, career growth opportunities and training. We in Kripco pride ourselves in that we are providing them a good work-life balance.
believe in Women's Day. I celebrate being women every day.
अपने आप को जिस तरह से बताया एक नारी को कि मैं नीर भरी दुख की बदरी विस्तृत जग का कोई कोना मेरा न कभी अपना होना परिचय इतना इतिहास यही उमड़ी कल थी मिट आज चली।
एक महिला पूर्ण चक्र है, उसके भीतर सृजन, पोषण और परिवर्तन करने की शक्ति है।
कहते हैं कर्तव्यों संग नारी भर रही उड़ान, न कोई शिकायत न कोई थकान।
Kids, women have put their strong imprint in all the fields, may it be finance, banking, space, science and arts. Women have all rightly raised their voice against the very contemporary and important subjects like climate change, women equality and education. I salute this women power. Congratulations again.
Liberation in the world going on, and in the India particularly, we are sure that women will make great achievement in every sphere of life, including in our organization in the time to come. I once again wish all the very best to all the women of the bird and the women employee of my organization in particular.
It is a day to recognize their achievements and also to ensure that they are treated equally.
I am Kritik. I am special and I am confident.
I am strong.
I believe in inner strength.
I am confident.
Because you are a woman, you are strongest at your heart.
आया समय, उठो तुम नारी, तुम्हें युग निर्माण करना है।
Try to be a woman.
We are always a source of inspiration for my family and society. Happy Women's Day to my all friends.
On the occasion of Women's Day, I wish all the women of Kripco, all the women employees, Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.